like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down.
Okay, dokie. So I am taking my You Had Me at Hello Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I'm going with that color, and then I'm grabbing my Colourpop palette. It just says Colourpop. It's the metallically looking one. So I'll be going in between these two palettes. So this one that has the black in it, this is the palette that's called Colourpop. That's just the name of it. And the other one, this one that has the brown in it, this palette is called You Had Me at Hello. So everything that I'll be using is pretty much straightforward. So as usual, I just want to talk to you. So in light of some recent events, some of you have voiced that you like when I do the no steps skipped tutorial. Now this is it. Those tutorials are usually very long, like 30 minutes or so, and it's a struggle. I mean, I know I can talk, but it's a struggle for me to talk that much. You know what I mean? To fill up a 30-minute video, it's a lot for me. So I struggle with finding songs, because a couple of my songs nowadays, they are being stricken with copyright material, and so because of that, I've opted to the voiceovers and play songs for only a certain amount of period of time, as in your song can't go over a specific amount of time if you're going to have a popular song on YouTube or whatever. So that's why I've gone this route with voiceovers. But with the voiceovers, as you can probably tell, I get bored saying, oh, I'm putting this here and then I'm putting that there. For me, it's self-explanatory. The reason I filmed this for you guys is because of what YouTube is about. If you see something, you want to know how to do it, and you go to YouTube for it. And 99% of the looks that I do, oh, this is my LA Pro Primer in black. 90% of the looks that I do, I record them, because I know somebody's going to ask, oh my God, how did you do that? And that's fine, because I get new followers, new subscribers, new supporters every single day, every single week, every single month, and they've never heard of me, and they see a look and they want to know how to do it, and I want to be able to provide that. You know what I mean? What else? Yeah, so I will be doing those, but there won't be a lot. I'll be doing them every now and again. This concealer I'm using is the LA no, not the LA. This is my MAC concealer. My MAC concealer. Pro Longwear, that is it. My MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NW35. This thing does not crease, and I'm talking the entire day. And this brush is my MAC 217, and it just has hold on a bike. It just has some black eyeshadows on it, the black eyeshadow left on it, and I just use it to blend out. Yeah, so I did this look and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's my second time doing this look, so it's not exactly how I did it. And then I did the same exact look, and then I just added like some burgundy eyeshadow on the blush underneath my England number 63 blush. Added that underneath and deepened it some, and I asked if you guys want a tutorial, and like everybody voted yes, but this is the same look. Let me see if I can find what you're talking about. So this is the look that I was talking to you guys about. Well, gosh, because I had to go and look for the picture I'm talking about in the past tense, but you literally just heard me say it. So this is the look, same glitter, everything. The only thing that's different is my lash line. And in this next shot, you can see it a little bit closer, where I did the yellow, the black, and then the burgundy. Oh my God, like this was really, really good. Loved it. And this is actually my profile picture to date. Just so we're clear, I always use glue to adhere my glitter, and my glitter is from isakenenofe.com. I think it's called Ferret Powder or something, and they're like $8 or $6, so I mean it's not that expensive. But yeah, I forgot totally what I was saying, because in between this voiceover, I had to take a call, I had to arrange some stuff while searching for the clip. It's a whole thing. So the lashes I'm wearing are watermelon, and they're from Lord God, La Page Trends. Oh my gosh, La Page Trends lashes are lit. The other one's inspiring me to go back into the lash game, you know, because the lashes are lit, and I love lashes. I love brushes. I love hair. Hint, hint. And I just love fitness. I love my slim waist and how my body coming down. I love it. I love it. So I tend to, and that's where my passion is. So where my passion is, that's where I go, you know. And people ask for help, and I make it available. But yeah, I don't really have much to say, to be quite honest with you. Everything is so straightforward with these tutorials these days. Fontana Pharmacy still have my brushes, and you can shop on fontanapharmacy.com. Once you spend over $50 or more, you automatically get free shipping. Also, my classes in Tamarack, Florida, they are coming back. They are May 24th to the 26th, and you can register on LyricRochester.com. So this is it for this makeup tutorial, guys. This is Viva Nikki 2. And for my lip liner, I'm using Espresso by LA Girl. And the lip gloss is my Glass Bomb from Fenty Beauty, the universal lip gloss. So this is the entire look. Again, your support means so much to me. Thank you so much. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I heard you told your friends that I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last night? You say all I ever do is just control your life, but how you gonna lie like that?